Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. Are you trying to find your liked videos on the Pinterest app? If so, you've come to the right place. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to easily locate the videos you've liked on Pinterest. Let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your device and ensure you're logged into your account. To demonstrate, I'll like a video, a beautiful sunset at the beach. After liking it, the next step is to find it in your liked activity. Go back to the app's main screen. Tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once on your profile, tap the profile icon in the top left corner. Now look for and open the Home Feed Tuner option. Here, you'll find all the photos and videos you've liked or viewed on Pinterest. As of now, this is the only way to access your liked videos. Unfortunately, Pinterest doesn't offer a dedicated section specifically for liked videos, but this method works perfectly. If you found this tutorial helpful, please leave a comment below and subscribe to the channel. It really supports me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.